Hi and welcome to Elroy Academy's Crash Course, where in 5 minutes we take a look at common themes in past papers, routine procedures and common mistakes made by students in past exams. Then we'll do as many examples as we can in the remaining time. In this lesson we'll take a look at quadratic inequalities. To solve a quadratic inequality, we will follow 4 simple steps. Step 1. Write the quadratic inequality in standard form. Step 2. Factorize. Step 3. Determine the roots. And step 4. Find the intervals. So let's have a look at those steps more closely. You see, if I multiply two numbers together and get a positive answer, I know that both numbers are positive or both numbers are negative. If I multiply them together and get a negative, I know that the two have different signs. That's why it's helpful to first write a quadratic inequality in standard form and then find the factors so that I can find the two numbers that are being multiplied together to give me either positive or negative. So how will I know if a factor is positive or negative? Well, I find the root and plot it on a number line. On a number line, to the left of a root is negative, and to the right of that root, the factor would be positive. In this specific example, we want both factors to be positive. Where would both factors be positive? Well, to the right of the largest root, both factors are positive. Where can we find both factors to be negative? Well, to the left of the smallest root, both factors would be negative. All that's left now is to write the final answer as an inequality. The most common errors that students make is in treating an inequality like an equation. The one thing they do is that when they get to the factors, they simply apply the inequality sign to both factors. The reason why this does not work is common sense. When I multiply two numbers together to get a positive, both factors can be positive, but that's not the only solution. Another solution is that both factors can be negative. Or when I multiply two factors together to get a negative, it does not mean both factors are negative. One is negative and one must be positive. Another very common error in treating it like an equation is when we multiply and divide with a negative number. Most students just multiply and divide with a negative without changing anything else. But when we multiply with a positive or negative, we're actually changing the direction of the expression. Now in an equation, the equality sign doesn't care about direction. The left is equal to the right and the right to the left. But with an inequality, direction is the whole point. So when we multiply or divide with a negative number, we must change the direction of the inequality sign. Great, let's have a look at a few examples. Do you enjoy learning with video? Well, consider doing your matric with Elroy Academy. We've got online courses with video lectures and electronic exercises that you do right on your computer. It's automatically graded so you get immediate feedback. But maybe you like to learn in an entirely different way. Then Elroy Academy is exactly for you. We have an assessment-only option where all we provide you is the assessments. And you can study for those assessments in any way you like. A way that's maybe different from the norm like school. A way that suits you. whether teacher, tutor, textbook, heck, YouTube for all we care, as long as you pass your assessments. You see, school is not all about passing tests and passing grades. No, it's about learning, and we test your learning using assessments. So we'll take responsibility for the assessments, and you take responsibility for your learning. If you're interested in this, please go over to our website for more information. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like this video to encourage me to make more. Hope to see you in the next one.